I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your Barclays app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the Barclays app. Launch the Barclays app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section and select the account from which the withdrawal was made. This will show you the list of recent transactions. Step 3. Select the withdrawal. Find the specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Tap on it to view more details about the transaction, including the date and amount. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After filling out the required details, submit your dispute. You should receive a confirmation message or email regarding your dispute status. Keep an eye on your notifications for updates. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a legitimate transaction, you may need to follow up to resolve it. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope this helps you get it sorted quickly.